Hello, I am Dr. Mario Wong, specialist in clinical nutrition, metabolism, and geriatric health. Today I want to talk to you about something that can completely change the way you understand your vision, especially if you are already over 45, 60, or even older. I want you to listen to me calmly, because what I am about to tell you has nothing to do with expensive surgeries, miracle supplements, or empty promises. It has to do with something much simpler, much closer to home, and paradoxically, much more powerful. What you decide to put on your plate every day. Let me ask you a very honest question. At some point, have you thought or said phrases like, "I don't see the same anymore, but I guess it's just age. I can't read without glasses. Night lights dazzle me. I feel a fog in front of my eyes, or my eyes get tired faster and faster"? If so, I want you to know something right now. Aging is inevitable, but losing your vision is not. And I don't say this from a place of empty optimism. I say it from real medical experience. From years in the clinic, seeing people resign themselves to something that, in many cases, can actually improve. According to international data, nearly 40% of people over the age of 60 experience a significant decline in their visual capacity. But what is truly concerning is not that number, but the belief that there is nothing to be done, that it is a written destiny. And that simply isn't true, because the eyes eat too. Visual health doesn't start at an optical shop. It starts in the kitchen. Throughout my career, I have accompanied many patients who arrived worried, even scared, because they felt their world was slowly dimming. When we reviewed their history, their habits, and their diet, the pattern repeated itself over and over: malnourished eyes, not due to a lack of money, but due to a lack of information. That is why today, I want to take you by the hand in a clear and simple way through a series of everyday, cheap, and accessible foods that have a profound impact on the retina, the macula, night vision, and visual stamina. And I want you to stay until the end, because the number one food is probably the most underestimated of all, and it can make a huge difference if consumed the right way. Before we continue, I would love to get to know you a bit better. Leave me a comment telling me which country you are watching this video from. I like to know how far this information travels, and to create a community around healthcare. Now let's begin. I want to start with a food almost everyone knows, but almost everyone consumes incorrectly: the carrot. Surely you've heard since you were a child that eating carrots helps your eyesight. While many take it as an old wives' tale, modern science has confirmed there is a lot of truth behind that advice. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body transforms into vitamin A, an essential nutrient for the retina and for vision in low-light conditions. To understand it better, imagine your eye is like a camera. For that camera to work well in the dark, it needs special software. That software is called rhodopsin. Without enough vitamin A, that system fails. The image becomes slow and blurry, and the transition from light to dark becomes clumsy. This is why many people start avoiding driving at night. But here is the mistake most people make. Eating raw carrots alone is not enough. Beta-carotenes need heat and fat to be released and absorbed. When you lightly cook the carrot and combine it with a healthy fat like olive oil or avocado, absorption can increase up to 6 times. I have seen patients regain confidence, independence, and safety just with this small adjustment. When we talk about eye fatigue, that feeling of sand in the eyes at the end of the day, it is impossible not to mention sunflower seeds. That discomfort is not normal. It is a sign of oxidative stress, Sunflower seeds are one of the richest sources of vitamin E, an antioxidant that acts as a true protective shield for ocular cells. They protect the macula and help reduce progressive visual deterioration. However, I'm not referring to the fried or sugary versions. You need natural or toasted seeds. A small handful a day is enough. As we move forward, we inevitably reach a very modern problem: constant exposure to screens, phones, tablets, televisions. This is where a food many underestimate comes into play: spinach, but not raw. When you lightly saute it with garlic and a healthy fat, it becomes a powerful source of lutein and zeaxanthin, two compounds that act as an internal sun filter. It's as if you were placing sunglasses inside your eyes, protecting the macula from the blue light that causes so much damage in the long term. This point connects directly with another food that has been unfairly displaced: natural yellow corn. I'm not talking about refined flours or industrial products. I'm talking about the real grain. Yellow corn is loaded with carotenoids that strengthen macular pigment, improve contrast, and help colors look more vivid. Many people have traded this ancestral food for white bread, and in doing so, they have left their retinas literally starving. And here we make an important pause, because all of this can fall apart if we fail at breakfast. That is why I want to talk to you about the egg. For years, it was demonized, but today we know it is one of the most complete foods for vision. It contains lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin A, and zinc. Zinc is key because it acts as the transporter that allows vitamin A to reach the retina correctly. Without zinc, many nutrients simply never reach their destination. Of course, the preparation method matters: boiled, poached, or gently scrambled, not fried in industrial oils. And when you combine it with spinach or yellow corn, the effect is boosted. You are creating strategic nutrition, not a restrictive diet. Now we come to the number one food, the humblest, the cheapest, and the most ignored: the tomato, but not raw. The true power of the tomato lies in lycopene, a potent antioxidant released when the tomato is cooked. Lycopene acts as a bodyguard for the retina, clearing accumulated oxidative damage and protecting against degenerative diseases. A homemade tomato sauce with skin and seeds a few times a week can make a real difference in visual clarity. But I want to be very clear with you. It is useless to add these foods if you continue to consume sugar, refined flours, and trans fats. Sugar damages the microscopic vessels that nourish the eyes. Industrial fats harden the arteries and reduce the oxygen reaching the optic nerve. And an apparently innocent habit, like rubbing your eyes, can damage the cornea and break capillaries. If I had to summarize all of this in one message, it would be this: your eyesight doesn't just go out because of the years. It goes out due to a lack of the correct nutrients and habits that damage it day by day. The good news is that the body has an incredible capacity for regeneration when you give it the right materials. If this message has served you, I invite you to leave me a comment, share this video with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the channel to continue receiving clear, practical, and science-based information. I am Dr. Mario Wong, and for me, it is an honor to accompany you on this path. See you in the next one.